Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to this week's lesson. You will see this video available on your stream shortly and the lesson plans. To get to the actual lesson, go to classwork. Then that's where you will see the information to get into your Nearpod and the lesson plans. I'm going to show you the lesson plans first because that is the outline of what we are planning. You're going to be working on how do we graph motion and calculate average speed. This is the video you are currently watching, so hopefully you've clicked that link at this point. Keep in mind that for Nearpod, you must have your full name. Otherwise, we don't know it's you. Please put your first name and your last name in there so that you get full credit for that. Also, if you have any questions, you're struggling with anything, Edpuzzles or your Nearpod, our Zoom hours are located here. This will give you each of the links for how to get to us, and we're sitting there waiting to talk to you. So please feel free to pop by, say hello, or come in and say, I need reset on my Edpuzzles, or I did my Nearpod and I need help. I'm not understanding this question. We are here for you during those times at these locations. And please, everybody come to Feedback Friday. I want to see all of you. We've been playing fun games and riddles, and it's just great to have a group. Back to the lesson. Right here for Nearpod, you can go to Nearpod and you can put in the code for your particular classroom, or you can just click on a link. Now, when you click on that link and you go in there, please make sure that this is the spot where you put your actual name. You need your first name and your last name. The other is totally optional. You can put, I love Miss Fraser. She's my favorite science teacher in the whole wide world. I can't wait to get to see her again. Whatever you want to put in other, doesn't matter. I'm the only one seeing it. You could put hi. You could put nothing. What I need from you is first name, last name, so that we know that it's you. Then this week's lesson is speed graphs. Continuing on, there is a poll. The question that you need to answer here, simple one, how you feeling? Let us know. Click which one of those applies to you. Then here's the essential question. How are we going to graph motion and calculate average speed? These are the two teaks that go along with that. Oopsie, wrong button. I don't need to take notes on that. Then we've got this cool video, and they explain what is light speed, which is kind of cool. This is the lesson we're focusing on to help us as we move forward. The speed formula is that speed equals distance divided by time, that total distance divided by total time. Here it is written in equation form. And here's an example. You will be doing some math this week. Yay, it's been a while. Jordan rode his bike for 24 miles in 2 hours. What was Jordan's speed on his bike? So you take the distance of 24 divided by the 2, and you will get the 12. Always be cautious. It's not always distance that's given first. Sometimes the time is first. So make sure your distance always goes on top so you can divide that quickly. Then here is a video once again explaining how that speed-time triangle works and how that should look for you. And a question's coming. Anytime you see that guy, you know you got to answer a question. We tried to make that as simple as possible so you would know when you need to be doing that. So, in the ocean, a dolphin can swim 40 meters in 10 seconds. What is the average speed of the dolphin? We've added a couple of references for you here, one of which is a calculator. So you whip open that calculator, you take your 40 divided by your 10, and you got your answer to your first question, 4. I'm going to close that. You would pick 4 and move on. If you want the question read to you, click here anytime you see that speaker with the book, and it will read the question to you just by hitting play.
In the ocean, a dolphin can swim 40 meters in 10 seconds.
Be aware that you have those options. That as we continue forward, don't go forward until you submit your answer. So let me review my answer. Go ahead and click my answer for this one. Submit it. Once it's submitted, you can see if you had it right or wrong. If you got it wrong, go back and fix it. You can fix questions that you had that were incorrect. Make pairs. Next, we're going to be doing some pairing. You got to figure out, okay, miles per hour goes with speed, distance goes with meters, and I bet you can figure out what time goes with. Next question coming. I'm going to have to let you do this one on your own because I think you get the gist of what to do. Figure out what is a measure of only distance, and you're going to nail this. You learned this in elementary school. Look it up if you need to. You can open another browser. But I think everything's under control. I am here for you. If you need absolutely anything, please come and visit us. We love you. We miss you. Only 3 weeks left of school. Oh, it's crazy. Okay, bye.